So yeah, and it's the same thing with this one right here. So we bought this as a used vehicle to sell here, and this thing has cost us more money than it's even worth, pretty much at this point. This thing is a BMW X6. I think it's a 2012. We literally have nothing but problems with this car. I don't think it's ever had any maintenance done to it. So just to give you a list of what we've done so far: new radiator, new water pump, new thermostat, and yes, this is electric water pump on this one. It's down here on the bottom. Fixed all the leaks on it. We did new oil cooler gaskets, filter gaskets. Then it had crazy codes for line bus codes, and we found a broken wire. Did the new oil thermostat or oil temp thermostat. Still was running rough. Had a misfire or multiple misfires, and the PCV valve was clogged. Had to change the whole valve cover. Made it run better now, and then, as you all know, injector seals go on BMWs after quite some time, and there was no codes on the car. Come to a stop, it shakes a little bit. Obviously, injectors. Ordered all the new injector seals from Beamer, and got them all out and all done besides the back. The back will not come out. Ended up breaking one of the injector seals right here on number, I think it's, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 is broken now, and number 6 still won't come out the hole. I wish I had a picture of what the injectors looked like before we put them in, but they are bad. They are very bad. The combustion gas is coming up through the injectors, and when that happens, you get carbon and soot and old oil all come up through past the seal, and it literally makes these things like frozen in the hole. So before we left Saturday, we poured PB Blaster in these like cubbies. I don't know what you want to call these things, but like little cubby holes. Filled it up to the brim with PB Blaster to hopefully it'll, settle into the injectors to loosen them up and eat the carbon deposits, whatever, rust, and hopefully we can get it out. We do have the special tool. I don't know where it's at right now, but we do have a special tool that goes on the from Snap-on that goes on the puller. And I wish I had an injector out, but I think you put them all back in. But so this is like this little square piece on the injectors right here. The tool kind of goes around it, and then it has a sleeve and it locks on, and you could tap them out. But that's what happened on this one, and it broke completely off. And we tried it on this one, and then the tool broke. So it's another issue with the Beamer. Beamers they're decently easy to work on, but when you have issues like this, it's just an absolute nightmare on a BMW. Beamer with the stuck injector, and both of these back ones broke. And like I said, we have the special tool to pull these things, and they're just that frozen in there. So this one's getting its head pulled. I think today we're going to pull the head on it and beat them out from the other side.